Imagine a year where the night sky tells a story, a cosmic tale written in the stars and waiting just for you. Welcome to 2024, a year where the heavens will unfold wonders that have danced in the darkness for eons, now ready to take the stage in a celestial performance. Are you prepared to unlock the secrets of the skies? Join us on Space Lag, where every star has a story, and every night is a new chapter in the grand saga of the universe. Hello, space explorers. Welcome to Space Lag, your gateway to the wonders of the universe. Today, we embark on a celestial journey through the most stunning astronomical events of 2024. Ready to gaze at the sky and be amazed? Then, let's go. April blesses us with a cosmic spectacle, the conjunction of Mars and Saturn. These two giants will dance together in the night sky, an encounter that promises to fascinate all astronomy lovers. And it's not just a visual treat, this conjunction also offers a unique opportunity for amateur and professional astronomers to capture valuable data on planetary motion and the dynamics of our solar system. Moreover, the proximity of these planets can inspire reflections on the vastness of the universe and our place within it, reminding us of the continuous quest for knowledge and understanding that drives us as star explorers. The Lyrids and the Eta Aquarids will illuminate our nights in April and May, respectively. Make your wishes, as each shooting star is an opportunity to dream. And as we cast our wishes under the star-studded sky, remember that each meteor is a cosmic messenger, carrying with it secrets of the universe waiting to be unraveled by curious minds and watchful eyes. These celestial fragments, traveling through space and time, are silent witnesses to cosmic history, offering us a luminous spectacle while revealing clues about the origins of our solar system. And for the moon lovers, 2024 has in store not just one, but several supermoons. And let's not forget the eclipses that will cloak and reveal the beauty of our moon, in a play of shadows and light. These events are not merely a feast for the eyes, they are an invitation to ponder and learn. As the moon goes through its phases, each supermoon and eclipse reminds us of the gravitational forces at play, weaving the tapestry of our solar system. And as we witness these phenomena, we are reminded that, just like the moon influences the tides, it also continues to inspire our imagination and our quest for cosmic knowledge. And this is just the beginning, explorers. The year is filled with phenomena ranging from lunar occultations to solstices and equinoxes. Stay tuned to Space Lag to not miss any detail of this cosmic spectacle. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications, and share the video. Till next time, keep exploring. And And here's a little teaser, did you know that in 2024, we'll witness the Devil's Comet gracing our skies? Despite its ominous name, it's a celestial event not to be missed, adding an extra dash of mystery to our astronomical adventures.